Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I haven't posted in a very long time, but I have been trading. It's just that I haven't been posting consistently, but I have been in the markets. I've basically been running this bearish downtrend here on silver as well as on gold. Let's go back to gold. I'm not in any trades, by the way. On gold, I actually missed my entry there, so I'm not in any trade on gold currently, but I've managed to milk this whole thing here. Where is my target with gold? My target is around here. If I go to the daily time frame, my target is basically around that gold will meet this other side of the channel, if not here. Let me put this thing here. As I said in my previous videos, I love trading these channels. So if it's not coming around here, that will be 1950. Around 1950, I expect it to come down to the 1900 level or somewhere around here, 1925, whatever it does. But the immediate goal for me would be around 1960, 1950. But this is not a trading signal. Don't go rushing into the market and say that because you saw my video, then you rush in and you load your whole account. You will lose money because the market does what the market wants to do, despite your stellar analysis or whatever. The market doesn't care. So don't take this as a trading signal. So my bias is we still have some momentum going to the downside on gold, possibly coming to this level, if not breaking it down to this level and actually maybe around this level. So that's just what I expect. It does not mean that there is no chance this thing doing this. It can. As I said, the market is the market. It doesn't care about your analysis. It can do what it wants to do. Here, if it doesn't find enough sellers here, there is nothing that can stop it from actually bouncing back and doing that. So that's why I said don't take this as what, as a trading signal. But let me just delete these lines now. But in terms of my future, that's just something that I have in mind, that if we push beyond this, we're coming here and we'll probably want to come and test this level here. Then, like I said, if we go down to the 4 hourly or maybe the hourly, so I missed this trade here because yesterday when I woke up and went to do my other job, I think gold was somewhere around here. But what I did was silver. Let me go down here. But what I did was silver was also, I think, around here. Then I decided silver is closer to $23 mark. There's a chance that silver might spike back into this level before it continues to go down. So what I did here was to place limit orders. I'll right click these limit orders. So these were limit orders that were actually triggered when this candle happened. Very risky stuff, because this is me just coming back to the market right now. Yesterday I couldn't, when I got back from the business that I was attending to, there was load shedding. I'm based in South Africa. Currently we have power outages that are called load shedding. So there was load shedding and I was also tired. I was just tired, so I decided to just call it a day. And this morning now, it's actually around 5:30 in the morning on a Wednesday, South African time. So that's where I'm doing this video. So I'm just happy that I found that my limit orders were triggered, and I didn't think they were going to get triggered also. I had a suspicion that we might want us to tap around this level. That's why the limit orders are below the $23 mark and are not above it. So I just thought maybe we might just want maybe tap into one or maybe two, but three. I was actually surprised this morning. So I actually thought maybe it might reverse a bit and then continue. But anyway, you lose some, you win some. Don't chase trades in the market. If you lose an opportunity, there are guarantees that a million more opportunities are coming your way. So don't be in the habit of trying to chase opportunities. If I'd missed these limit orders, no stress about it. No stress about it. I'll catch the one that comes, whether it comes here or comes there or maybe comes in 2024. It doesn't matter. Don't chase trades. Don't try to chase trades. I've lost a lot of money doing that, trying to chase trades. Don't do that. So that's the story with these limit orders. So what I'm just going to do, because I also need to go back to the business that I was attending to yesterday, is also to just get some risk off the table so that whatever happens, at least I've banked in some money. Whatever happens, I've banked in some money. So I'll just break these trades. Let me get rid of 6 there. 6 there. By the way, I'm my most success has been in swing trading. I do scalp here and there. Like last week, Friday, I think I'll do another video on how I scalped NFP. NFP was good to me. NFP was really good to me. That's why I can now afford to place these huge lot sizes, because non-farm payroll or what last week was just good to me. So now I've destroyed part of that trade. Now I've left with some money. Whatever happens now happens. So now I can introduce what? Now I can introduce my stop losses. I'm just pushing them to break even. I'll take some time to just try to see what's happening with these trades, because silver also sometimes loves to mess with your head. It might actually just spike and take out your break-evens, then continue going down. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Like I said, let the market do what the market wants to do. So here we can see that we're approaching a good level for silver here, somewhere around here. That will be $22.50. And the next one will be $22. That's my target. That's my long-term target. So like with gold, we are coming here. The market might say, yeah, that's your stellar analysis, but it's bullshit. We are going back up. But I'm hoping that we can actually break through and come and retest the $22 level there. So I'm just going to leave these trades. If I get taken out again, I'll enter more sales, as long as I still have confidence that we are pushing towards the $22 level. Again, I see there's a lot of lines on my screen, and I've actually made them so that you can see them, because the way they were, some people were telling me that, hey, we can't see the channels that you are talking about. You know, people have different what is it, Let me just zoom out here. Sometimes you think people can see what you are talking about, and the you realize that some people don't even see the lines that you're talking about. So that's why I've made them thicker and made them, I think, more visible, so that everybody can see what I'm talking about. So when I say that I trade channels, you can see there's a bigger channel that is running here. This is the one end of the channel, this is the other end of the channel. Then we have some channels also that are running in there, and another one that is running in there, and I can actually draw my own, because the system also sometimes does not draw the ones that I want. So I can actually also draw my own, something like so, again, which gives me confidence. If I try to narrow it down perfectly, which gives me confidence that there is a chance that we're coming to the $22.50 level there. This is on the daily now. So it basically just gives me confidence. If I were to move it down a bit so that it catches that, besides, remember, some of these things are subjective as well. All trading, in my opinion, is subjective. So I'm not expecting you to see what I'm seeing. In case you are there and say I'm not seeing what you're seeing, you're doing it wrong, or that's, I'm doing what works for me. Do what works for you. So basically, this is the trade that I'm in. Now I'll just confirm with the dollar index. That's what has been happening with the dollar index. Again, expecting it to push into this level there. When it does that, it means that my gold and silver should continue pushing down. And this is euro USD. Euro USD, let me just zoom out a bit. It's almost at the end of the channel, so I'm not sure if I would want to get involved. If I would want to just take a quick trade, that will probably be from here until here. That is the quick trade on silver. That's the immediate one that I can see. So if it doesn't stop here, or if it doesn't stop here or here, it's definitely just coming there, then decide whether it wants to proceed going down there. Then from here it will decide now whether it wants to continue to push down to around this level there. So that's just basically how I do this. I've done a lot of videos already on this channel showing you how I use this system. So if you're wondering what is this guy talking about, where can I get this system, what the settings does this guy have on the system, look for those videos on this channel. Otherwise, guys, subscribe, like the video, leave your comments, your thoughts in the comment section below. This is how I've simplified my trading. I agree, it might not be for everybody, but it works for me. If you have something that is working for you, keep doing that. Forget what I'm doing here. Keep doing what is working for you. So yeah, so this is what I'm in, silver trade. Let's see if it continues to go down. Otherwise, guys, I will see you in the next one.